All right, chicken curry. This is absolutely divine. We've got some lovely bone-in, skin-on chicken. We're cooking this with some amazing spices, and one of the main ones is Methi. Really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okie dokie. So look, in there I've got 1 kg, which is 2.2 pound of chicken. Chicken parts, thighs, legs, wings, whatever. Skin is on, bone is in. Okay, so in the pan there, I've got like 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil. You could use a different oil if you want. Here's 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Now we are on slightly above medium heat. I'm now going to take the chicken and we're going to put that in there, and we're going to be frying this around for around 5 to 6 minutes. I'll be turning it over fairly often. Very simple. Okay, so got a little bit of colour on there. This chicken's not cooked all the way through yet. We're now going to add a cup of onion, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of ginger. Now if you want, you could be using ginger garlic paste, but for this one I'm just going with it a little bit more kind of chunky. We're going to add some salt, and then fresh chilies. I mean, the amount's up to you. I mean, I've got maybe half a tablespoon there. You can adjust that as you wish. Okay, let's go again for about another 5 minutes or so, stirring away. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, we're now going to add some spices. Here we go. Look, I've got 2 teaspoons chili, 2 coriander, 1 cumin and 1 turmeric. In that all goes. And just for 2 minutes, we're just going to stir this around in there. Keep it moving pretty much all the time now. Fabulous stuff, really, really good. Okay, we're now going to introduce fresh tomatoes. I've got 5 regular sized tomatoes there. It's about 3 or 4 cups. What I want you to do is just spread them over the top. We're not going to mix these in. We're going to get a lid on that and just leave it alone for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Let me get the steam out of there for you. So they've softened nicely. We're now going to get them mixed in. That's fabulous how they've cooked. And we're going to add one more ingredient. We're going to add some methi, or kasuri methi, which is a dried fenugreek leaves. You can see there I've got like a tablespoon of the stuff. You drop it in your hand like so, and you rub it in. It's very, very pungent. It's got a very, very distinctive flavor and smell. I shouldn't say smell, should I? I should say aroma. That's a little bit more kind of apt. Look at that, really beautiful. Now, if you want, you can put a little bit of water in here. I'm going to do that, just a little touch, I think, not too much. That's like half a cup, maybe. We're then going to get this on a simmer, really low, lid on, about another 5, 6, 7 minutes. Wah wah, wah wah wee wah. Really beautiful stuff that is. Okay, off goes the heat. That's a beauty, that is. So have a look in there. I'm super, super happy with that. Really happy. That is delicious. If you want some fresh cilantro or coriander in there, or a little bit of garam masala powder, but for me, yeah, I'm happy right there. Beautiful stuff. Well done, everyone. All right, there you go. I love that one. Really, really, I think that's absolutely fantastic. I hope you enjoy it. You keep safe. You keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.